around here. Well, we deserve it. We've been getting away with murder for the last couple of weeks. Our high today could possibly be... That's it. Tonight...
Get asked what kind of foods I eat. And I finished working out about 30 minutes ago. I did some jump rope and a lot of body weight training. So I want to get some good quality nutrition into me before I head out the door. And I'm not particularly hungry right now, but still I want to get some good protein into me to kind of refuel after working out. So I'm going to show you a really quick meal that is also packed with nutrition. So I'm going to take the camera, I'm going to bring you a little bit closer, and I'm going to show you what I have here set up. Okay, so if you look at this plate, you can see I have a half a lemon which I cut up. After working out, I think it's really important to hydrate. So usually what I do is I'll drink some water. Today I'll squeeze that half a lemon into the water and drink that. And you can see a bowl of strawberries. Before going to work out, I left those strawberries in the bowl to thaw out. They were frozen before. And on this plate I have some herbs and spices which are loaded with nutrition and are really good for your brain, your joints, and just overall body health. So I've got some rosemary here. I love cooking with rosemary because it smells really good. I've got a lot of turmeric there, and close to the turmeric there is some pepper because I've read before that pepper helps to absorb the turmeric better. And I've got some sea salt here, some ginger, and some cumin. So I love cooking with spices and herbs because they add a lot of good flavor and a lot of good nutrients to a meal. And then here inside the fry pan I have some duck. I'm really lucky I can get duck for a really good price nearby where I live. So it tastes delicious and it's packed with nutrition. It's got a lot of good protein there. So as you might be able to hear, the duck is cooking in the pan in the background, and I'm drinking the lemon water right now. I didn't add any oils or fat to the pan because duck already has a lot of fats, and they're fantastic for cooking. So I'm just going to wait for a minute until some of those oils or fat go out into the pan, and then I will add the herbs and spices. Cooking with herbs and spices really helps our bodies to absorb them better. So if you want to use turmeric, it's good to cook with them. Add them to a hot pan with some oil into it, and that can really help your body absorb them better. So this meal that I'm making right now, it's very quick to make and it's also packed with a lot of nutrition. I just have put some protein into the pan and I added some herbs and spices. Alrighty, this looks about done. I may have overcooked it in parts a little bit because I'm trying to record a video and cook at the same time, but it's all good. Alright. I just turned off the gas there, very important. Okay, there you can see the duck on the plate, and if you wanted to, you could add some vegetables or some starches. If I'm particularly hungry and if I want more protein, I often cook some eggs in the leftover oil, which contains remnants of the spices and the duck, so it adds great flavor and nutrition. Sometimes I would often cook sweet potatoes in the oil, and that really cooks them up nicely. So there you go. That's a good protein meal cooked up very quickly. And I'm going to eat those strawberries now, shower, and I'll come back and I'll eat the duck, and then afterwards I'll probably have a little bit of chocolate. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bon appetit.